Okay. Good evening, preppers, survivalists, and all others. I thought this would be something good to share. Took a friend to another friend to get some new tires put on, and the wheels had these stupid lug nuts that have chrome covers on them, and they fall off after a while. So the lug was all stripped, and they make these awesome things. And he was able to get the lug off. So then said friend, the first one that needed tires, tried to change their oil and strip the bolt, because some knucklehead before her had put Loctite on it, and she probably didn't use the proper wrench. So we borrowed these. I was supposed to take them back last Sunday, and in the meantime I bought myself a set, because I've had that happen, and I think it's a great idea. I've got a 13 piece though instead of 5, and if you count here, there's 13 pieces in there, not counting the box. So I'm a little impressed by that. I'm a little taken back by made from high carbon steel with sandblasted surface treatment for ultimate durability. Not sure how you sandblast something and make it stronger, but this was like 25 bucks or something. So we got, look at this, another bonus. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 sockets. So we were worried here that if this one was just a little too big, that we were going to have to really grind the thing down farther in order to get the next one on it. So I get this piece with more pieces. And there's another bonus, a drill driver. But you know, this is probably not as likely that you strip the head on a nut or a bolt as much as shearing the bolt off. And then you need a drill, quality drill bits, lots of them, and a tap to screw into the broken bolt to hopefully pull it out with the tap to still unthread it. Otherwise, you have to over drill and then re-tap it. You know, craziness, but it can be done. Just thought I'd share this. I knew about tap and dies, but I did not know about these little babies. Have a good night. Peace.